Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about DHCP. So Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol assigns IP addresses dynamically. So Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol means DHCP. So this means that you do not have the same IP address all the time. So most of the time these IP addresses assignments are on local area network. So remember that on local area networks we use private IP addresses. So when each device is connected to the LAN, it must be request an IP address. So the device that simply sends the request to the DHCP servers. Then DHCP server will simply assign the IP address to it. So each time you connect to the LAN, you are likely to receive a different or dynamic IP address. But usually the range will be 192.168.0.02 to 192.168.255 to 255. So guys, if it is not readable, then I am going to read it 192.168.0.0 and it will be till 192.168.255.25. So this is the range of DHCP when it comes to allotment of dynamic host configuration protocol, or we can say not configuration protocol, dynamic address allotment. Okay, so guys, this is all for this lecture. Thank you for watching this lecture.